All right, this next exercise is what we call low back presses. Now, it's not like as the name indicates, I'm trying to press into the low back, but the goal here is to activate those muscles between the shoulder blades on the back side of the shoulder. But if you have some tightness near the front or in the front of the shoulder, the pecs, anterior delts, you're gonna feel probably more of a stretch than you will the activation. But things you can do to improve the low back press is to maybe foam roll or do some kind of percussion device like a hypervolt, hyperized hypervolt, foam roll through the chest, anterior shoulder, down here, right on the outer third of the pec. But what we're really emphasizing here is the back, the upper back more specifically. So with the low back press, I'm going to show you my back side in a little bit, but I'm going to have open palm. I'm going to put it on my low back. Now as I secure my palm on my low back, you'll see here my elbows are coming back. Now the other thing here is that shoulder position is important. I don't want you having hands in the low back, elbows pointing to the side, and you see here my shoulder is actually rotating and protruding out of the front. Okay, I can put a little stress in the front of the shoulder, but what I really want you to do is open up the chest and get the shoulders to come back. So from here, I am actually going to, again, keep that low back in a nice neutral position. Some people will bail out and arch, get a little excessive low back arch, but I want that low back, low spine to be in a neutral, more neutral position. Pull the belly button in, and nice athletic position through the hips, knees, and the ankles. So if you're talking in basketball terms, that's what we call triple threat position. So you're nice and athletic through the lower body, secure and stable through the midsection. Now when it comes to the upper body, open palm across the low back, squeezing those shoulder blades together, and if you're imagining what your elbows are doing, they're actually trying to migrate towards each other. So they'll never get there, but that is your intention. So I've got my palms open. I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about the variations here. 10 or so seconds there. Then what I'll do is I'll shake it out, and then I'm gonna go palms facing out, back of the hands into the low back as I open. Again, I'm opening up my chest. You'll see here, my chest is open, my shoulders are back. I'm avoiding that anterior rotation through the shoulder, so I'm retracting at the shoulder blade. Next variation there, to add some intensity, I'll go back to palm down, but now my palm, you see, is on my spine, and then I'm gonna lay my other hand on top. Now this is a lot more demanding. If you haven't done this before, just know that there's a lot of demand by way of flexibility through the front, but reaching back here can be challenging for some. 10 seconds left hand on the back, 10 seconds right hand on the back, and the left hand stacked on top of that. Okay, then the next variation you can do is we're gonna go fingertip on fingertip, just like in the palm and forearm press, we did the fingertip on fingertip as we pressed. We're just doing the same thing here in the back as I'm pressing, but again, my inside hand is gonna be secured into my low back. Pushing into my low back is not my priority. It's pushing fingertip on fingertip while I open up my chest, squeeze my shoulder blades together, and get my elbows to come back. And this next one, I'll mostly talk about it because I have a hard time demonstrating it. But if you have the flexibility and the range of motion, you can try to place those palms flat on each other. I can get most of my fingers, but getting my palm to touch is impossible for me, but doesn't mean you guys can't try. So again, palm on the back, back of the hands on the back, palm on the spine, stack the other hand on top, go both ways, and then fingertip on fingertip pressing into each other. And then if you have the flexibility and range of motion, you can go palm on palm, right? So those are variations of the low back presses. Now, I forgot to mention, benefit here, as you can already feel if you've had a chance to do it, is you're working on a little flexibility through the front. You're gonna definitely feel a stretch if you're tight in the front, but a lot of it is about activation of the upper back muscles and the muscles along the back side of the shoulder blade. So those are the examples of things you can do through the low back press.